How to embed a YouTube video into a product description in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that very easily. So first, just log into your Shopify admin, and then from here, you simply just want to click on products section here, and obviously select the product that you want to add the video to. Now in the description, you can feel free to really just add all sorts of content that you want in here. Heading, subheading, whatever it may be. And once you're done, you simply just want to switch to the HTML view by clicking on this little icon. It should say show HTML or show editor. So once you're on the HTML view, you simply just want to go to the bottom of the list because if you did actually add any content, you're going to find a bunch of HTML here. So just scroll to the bottom where usually you would want the video to be. If you want it to be somewhere else, feel free to also select that placement. So once you do that, you simply just want to go to YouTube, find the video, and don't copy the link of the video, but instead click on share and click on embed and copy this. So simply just click on copy. So once you copy, you simply just want to go back to your Shopify. Again, click on the bottom of the HTML code and paste it in right over here. Now, I suggest that you play around with the width and make it 100% instead of this. So you can just do 100%, and this is just going to auto resize it to be, perfectly fit for mobile view and also for desktop. So simply click on save. And again, just make sure you actually add this code in the HTML view, not the editor view. The editor view is going to show you the actual video. Anyways, I'm just going to click on preview now and see how it's going to look like. And we can actually see that the video is now fully embedded to our product description. So with that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.